Welcome to the EarlyON. I'm Katrina Little, and I'm a resource consultant at Lansdowne Children's Center. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips for packing your child's lunch. It is important that your child feels included in some of the decisions around packing their lunch. If possible, include them in your trip to the store to purchase a lunch bag, box, or container that they like and can open. Depending on your child, some lunch boxes may have tricky clips or snaps that will make them more dependent on others to get access to their food. This can cause them to lose precious time when they are on a nutrition break. Find out how long your child's school has for the eating portion of the break. As a parent, you will know if your child is a speedy eater or if they usually like to take their time to eat. Choose your child's food with this in mind. This will help prepare them for the first day in school when they are on their own. As well, when selecting a lunch container, it is important that they can open these as well with minimal assistance. For fun, have a picnic lunch with your child and pack some snacks with the idea that they will be the ones getting into their lunch on the first day of school. Then you will know if containers you choose are going to work or not. There are some lunch containers that have multiple compartments that you can place food in, and there is only one lid to remove. This type of container can be quite handy as you can open foods that are pre-packed and place them in the compartments. This will alleviate any worries that you may have of your child not being able to open the wrapper on their food. It is also important that children learn what foods to eat for the first nutrition break and what to eat during the second nutrition break. For children, this may mean simply labeling the container with a number for first break and a number 2 for the second nutrition break. If your child is younger and is not familiar with numbers, you can also use different colored containers or color code the container with stickers. For example, if using stickers, they will know to eat all the containers with the red sticker during first break and all the containers with the blue sticker during the second break. Have your child participate in packing a balanced lunch. Offer them choices where possible for things like the kinds of fruit they would like to eat or healthy snacks that they would like to have. It can be helpful to have a list of foods based on the 5 food groups: protein, fruit, vegetables, milk, and grains that you have available. Let your child decide what fruits from the list they would like to include or what grains they would like to have. This teaches children about making balanced decisions around the foods they are eating. And because they are included in the process, they may be more likely to finish their meal. Monitor the amount of sweets that your child has in their lunch, as this may have an impact on your child's energy level or ability to sustain their attention during lessons. Other tips and tricks that may be helpful when packing a nutritious lunch may be: 1. Put grapes or yogurt tubes in the freezer the night before. They will act as both a snack and an ice pack. 2. Have some pre-cut items like cheese, carrots, and celery ready to grab when packing their lunch. Most kids love to dip, so add hummus or ranch or a dip of their choice to really dress up those veggies. 3. Use cookie cutters to make food fun and 3-dimensional. 4. If your child only eats apples sliced, try dipping them in apple juice after you cut them and prior to packing so they won't turn brown. 5. Reheat leftovers and place them in a thermos. Just like that, they have a hot lunch. 6. Introduce wraps, English muffins, mini croissants, or other types of carbs that are nutritious but different than having the same bread-type sandwich every day. If you would like more information on suggested serving sizes and healthy eating for children ages 5 to 11 years of age, please visit the following website. Thank you for joining EarlyON Parent Information Session today.
A resource consultant from the Early Integration Program is available to talk to you should you want more information, support, or to discuss any concerns or questions you may have. Please contact us by email at eip@lansdowncc.com or by phone at 519-753-3153. Ask reception if you can speak to a resource consultant.